I'm early to the restaurant today. Like very, very early. I want to eat chips. There are orange potatoes there. So yes, absolutely. I'm taking. I don't know what's called. This looks like fry yam. I think I'll try this. I didn't like this fascist. I think I'll take the Irish. Let's take one Irish. Let me take two Irish. Take two Irish. I'll take 2 eggs. I think that is all I will take for now. Come back and take. So guys, I'm early to the restaurant. Absolutely, it's like I'm the first person today. Yeah, I'm gonna take my drink. I'm just eating chips and this. I'm absolutely tired of eating this kind of food. Testing the microphone, testing the microphone, testing the microphone. The sitting area, and this is a view from my end. Yeah. So this is the outside. So the entry hot. So we are at the District market right now. This District 1. So we are going to Kitchen Place. The place is quite fine. I'm on the elevator and I'm turning, guys. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's fine. This is fine. See diffusers. Diffusers. 28, Abby. No, I don't understand what you at the top that time. As if we are closer to that edge, we easily see the gate. So this is 28. That means that will go like this or will go like this. So let's go. Madam. Hello. You said 1-1. You said 1-1. Oh, yeah, come. Come. Come on. Babes. In there say 1-1. She said 1-1. She dey come. She must come here. I see her for that place where I sit down. Why they wait for her? But I just assume say. Come now. My sister.
先勺1/3的米进去，把蛋黄放一个，再把米加满，把它压紧，两边压紧一点，把它折下去，两边一对，然后把它折过来，把它反上。
买多少
10。
好吧？买多少？
So people, I'm officially back to my hotel room. It's 15 minutes after 6. Yeah, but look at my view, guys. Look at my view. People already outside enjoying their life. That is my view from outside. Wow. So can I officially close this video here? I think I should close this video here, or a day in a life you will have to see me in the room when I'm going to sleep. Yes, because we open the curtain and we are going to sleep. If you know, you know. So I will see you guys later. But in case I'm ending this video here, I love you guys. Do well to subscribe, like, comment. My name is P to the A to the T to the T, but whatever. You know what's up already. I'll see you guys later. This food
soup or something.
musician dem, how can I see musician? Streets. What do you talk?
I'm not sure I want to eat again.
Why? Is it TikTok?
Mm-hmm. Chinese TikTok.
Oh, Chinese have TikTok.
青海的肉啊，青海的羊肉，我们本地有青海的回门卖的，还有青海的。
打包一份，老板娘。老板娘。
He said yes. Oh, I think they say this.
Tagila. It's not a toy, it's dog. Tagila. Why you do that like that?